Hello children. You are listening the program Dada Dadi Stories. Do you know what happens when good and bad fight a great battle under the shining sky? Here is the story about Rama and Ravana. Long, long ago, the brave prince Rama wanted to rescue his wife Sita, who had been taken away by Ravana. Ravana had 10 heads and he was very powerful, but his heart was filled with pride. Rama stood on the battlefield with his bow and arrows, while Ravana came with his chariot and roaring army. The sky thundered, the earth shook, but Ram was very calm. He prayed to God, pulled back his bow, and shot arrows that shone like lightning. Ravana fought fiercely, but one by one his heads bowed down. Finally, Rama released a special arrow blessed with the divine power. It flew straight and stuck to Ravana's heart. The battle ended. The world was very happy. Gods showered flowers from the sky, and Sita was free again. And the children, that is why we celebrate Dussehra, to remember that no matter how strong evil looks, goodness and courage always win. Right? So now we are summarizing it in 4 lines. Rama stood strong with his shining bow. Ravana's 10 head trembled in glow. One divine arrow ended the flight. Goodness won and filled with the world with light. Thank you.